I chose the HEC Paris program delivered through Coursera because I live in Toronto, Canada, and it's always been a dream of mine to do a graduate degree at an elite school, a globally elite school, and I think that that's just not available in Canada. So the ability to participate in a program delivered by, I think, one of the best schools on the planet and do it while I raise my child and continue to work in Toronto was a dream come true.
But one real advantage of the HEC MS in Innovation and Entrepreneurship is that it teaches us to become better team members in a virtual team.
I really like the fact that we were able to meet some people from all over the world, and also the fact that we were very flexible.
The program is wonderfully flexible and it is a real asset. And of course, at a certain age, we know how to learn.
So I have 4 kids. I work in a bank, a full family, for instance. And I'm able to go to work, read during my break time, and actually do most of my studying at home. So I could actually work and go to school at the same time and earn my living.
So my favorite part of the program was that I was able to meet international students from all over the world and connect with them. And it was just an amazing experience to work in different teams, in different time zones, on different topics.
And being part of a team with experienced managers and learning from different people from different backgrounds was the most interesting part for me.
And so it goes above the online, and I think this human aspect was not so expected. We hoped it, but it's really working well.
The experience for me in the Capstone project has been profound in that I've made now not just incredible minds to work with and learn from, but also lifelong friends.
So the project part of the program was, let's say, kind of a cherry on the cake.
So I've become a better boss, a better collaborator, a better inspirer of my teams worldwide. So it has given me things over and above what I had expected.
Well, if you look at the long journey and the demanding learning experience we had, it is extremely gratifying right now, and we're feeling proud and we're feeling that we achieved something.
We had fun, so whatever, we didn't feel it was so difficult. But we're proud and happy to. It's an achievement. And it's the beginning of something else.
We're looking forward to the future.